Welcome back, Chingon The Magazine, issue number 3. And let's get into it. Yeah, this is what I like to see. I love this Calavera kind of photography. Photos by Gus Mejia. I guess another thing I like about Chingon The Magazine is all the credits. They have it right here, and the Instagram to the person's social media. So that's always cool, giving credit to the people. Huntington Park cruising. A lot of pictures. Compton Unity. Very different than the Lowriders magazine. Hopping contest. It was back in 2020. Damn. I know this chick from social media, specifically the FB County. Oh, I think that's her, the FB County model. No way. Well, that's a question though. That's a good question for everyone. For everyone that was there during the 80s, 90s, late 90s, and the way people used to dress. What do you think about people that dress like in this old school kind of clothing, but they're bringing it back to present day? Oh, look at this. Sick ass picture. Payasas. The Anastasio Mural Project. Nice. Where's this Chicano Park? We need more Chicano parks in California, not gonna lie. This is cool. I've never seen so many Chicano Park photos in one magazine. Hey! Dia de los Muertos. Stylistics, Southern California, Southern LA, Pee-wee's 86 Regal. This is a dope ass shot right here. The donut, the shorts, the socks, the shoes, the rims, the paint job. Hey! It's the homie Pee-wee. Dude, imagine riding this gold automobile. Jesus. Straight from the heart. Wow. Rest in peace to their loved ones. And this is... I want to go back and read this article because it looks really nice. Vanessa Guillen Cruz. All right. Bringing awareness to the Vanessa Guillen soldier. Rest in peace, Vanessa Guillen. Corruption in the army against Chicanos, Latinos, Mexicanos. I really like this picture right here. I think I know this chick too. I think that's OC Solis. COVID-19 fundraiser. I guess this was a year of COVID. And you gotta see everyone coming together. I guess that's what makes this magazine even more special because it takes place in 2020. And that was definitely a landmark year that's gonna be recorded in history. So I guess that's what makes this magazine even better. This magazine, this specific issue will serve as a timestamp for future generations. What was the Lowrider community doing in times of COVID? Well, this is what they were doing. This is a pretty cool picture too. Ancestral healing. Protect the street vendors. Cool ass shot. The Perez brothers. Wait, did they draw this? Is that a mural? Damn, I thought that was the real ride right behind them. No way. Amigo San Diego. Barrio Logan. Shout out to the people in Barrio Logan. I know they're in my comments sometimes. Always really nice. Riverside Car Club Cruise Night. Oh, this is 2019. 1 year before the big tragedy. This is a nice pic too. People on the ride. Riverside. Some more photos by Gus Mejia. Nice. Watsonville Riders. August 22nd, 2020. Unprecedented times. Ethics Bike Club. I've seen this chick around. Her name just went through my mind. I don't know. My bad. Emperor Central. Nice couple, nice ride, nice home. Jeff's 48. Taking it back with the old school flicas right here. The loyalty ones. Some more cool pictures. That rockabilly. Mayor Street. San Bernardino cruising. San Bernardino cruising. I take the 210 to San Bernardino. I'm getting so high like I'm the Holland version of Brian Eno. This is a cool shot too. Model Rachel Ruiz and photo by Richard Betancourt. Yes. San Diego. Looks like a fun time. Hopping contest. Man, so much power in the Latino community. If it weren't for this magazine, I wouldn't know what was going on in Whittier or San Bernardino or Central. '50th National Chicano Moratorium Anniversary, August 29th, 1970 through 2020. Yes, I think I had a friend that was going to go to this march, but again, oh yeah, damn, that's really cool. These pictures right here are from, at least this one, from La Raza Magazine. I guess I'm going to put like a little link to that video because I think I have this magazine, or I don't have it, but I've reviewed it on my channel. Chingon The Magazine. Nice pictures. And boom, that's it. Chingon The Magazine is pretty cool. Issue number 3. Lucky number 3. And let me know what you think in the comments. Peace out.